Effects of electric current. In this video, the effects of electric current to human body at various ranges are explained. At 1 mA to 5 mA current shock, a faint tingling sensation is felt. At 5 mA to 8 mA current shock, nerves are stimulated and the sensation becomes painful. At 10 to 20 mA current shock, the muscle fibers are kept in depolarized condition. At 20 to 50 mA current shock, respiratory paralysis and pain. At levels greater than 200 mA, burning of skin is caused to human body.